everybody, this isn't a fishing simulator series video. This is about my neon aquarium. And Chris will be here with us. Okay. Okay. Okay, Chris, let's check out this area first.
Okay.
Wow, there's so many. Especially the nice rainbow ones, right?
Yeah, they're so pretty.
Ooh, this one, that's red, and this one, and this one. I'm kind of sad to sell all these guys, but I have to. Okay, here's an event. Yeah. Okay, let's head to the next area now.
Okay.
Come on over. Whoa. Oh, look at the big glowing sunfish all the way up here. Can you see it?
Is it the red one? Or
no, you're going the other way. Come here. Come. It's in the big tank.
Oh, wait. Wait, this?
You're in the wrong one, Chris.
What do you mean?
It's in the big one over here. I'm right there because I'm in edit mode, so I'm just there, and I'm in like a spectator thing. It's pretty cool. So I can go in the tank. The big sunfish up here. Do you see it? Up in the top.
I think I do.
It's yellow.
Is it like yellow and orange?
Wait, stop moving. Yes, that's it. Okay, then we come over here. We have some of these are mostly the new fish. If they aren't neon, they're the new ones that are from the thing. We have some of Valentine's Day fish. The ribbon fish, the rose fish, the heart fish, another heart. No, this is the cupid fish, the heart fish, the clam fish. And then we got more like a sea bear and everything. That guy, and that guy, and that guy. And guess what? All of these series have led up to this. Okay. Time to get out of decorate mode, get them all back in my inventory. Hey, Chris, come watch me do it.
Wait. Am I lagging or something? Because you're like running, but you're not actually going.
Yeah, you're not lagging. It's because I'm in edit mode.
Oh, where are you?
You can't see me right now. Because I'm in edit mode.
Oh.
I really wonder how much all of this is going to cost. And I don't actually think that it'll all fit in my inventory at once. It might. I might need a bigger backpack.
You can't fit everything?
I might. I don't know. We'll see. The rainbow fish, they cost a lot of money. So, I'm gonna.
How did you even get neon fish?
It's a rare chance. It's rare. You just gotta keep catching them. And then, like, the more you catch...
My God, let's go to the ship.
Okay, you can go to the ship. I'll just be here, spending my last moments.
Okay.
It sounds like somebody's dying. Okay, I'll just be here, spending my last moments. I'll also show all of you guys my favorite fish that I have in my aquarium. It's almost empty again.
I just stabbed Mayor and Liza in the eye.
Haha. Very, very funny.
Yes.
Tell me if it starts to rain or something.
Okay.
Well, guys, you got a tour of my aquarium and everything that's ever been in here. Guys, I made a 1 neon aquarium. Here, this is the second one.
Fly to another island. Okay. I want
Okay.
to go.
Oh my god, this didn't actually fill out my backpack. 124 fish is how much can fit. Guys, my favorite fish in here, probably one of them, is the legendary glow snaggletooth. But this sells for 2.5 million. All of this sells for 2.5 million.
It says it?
Yes, 2.5 million. And the mythic sunfish is the one that costs the most. The legendary glow mythic sunfish sells for 500,000, and it's huge as well. So that's all. See you later.
Can you even